Okie everyone, hello and welcome to the Daily Life Project channel. And today we are going to plant, remember the Christmas tree? Yes, today's the day, okay? Before lunch we can burn some calories, let's go. Okie dokie, so where are we going to do it? More or less where?
Okay. There.
Here?
There.
Okay, right here. Okie dokie, let's go. It's nice and wet.
Soft.
Soft. Easier to get in to the ground. Make it big enough. Sasha's gone away. Thought Sasha would come and smell the... Sasha! She likes smelling when we dig a hole. Okay, I'll go get this to do that. Side. It's nice dirt. Quite dark the dirt, eh?
Yeah.
Quality dirt.
Hope you don't get too much stone.
There's always stones here. Okay, has to be deeper, eh?
Yep.
Wow.
See, it's you have to go wider, huh?
Yeah. Break it on the side.
It's a good exercise.
Yes. Always a good exercise. Digging holes. Mosquitoes are starting to
Yeah.
attack. Gotta move faster. Got to move faster. Taking too long.
Crows are making a noise there.
Eh?
Crows are making a noise.
Mosquitoes.
There's a lot of mosquitoes now.
Yep.
Just a bit more. Nearly there. I think it's the size there already.
Good, hey?
I think so.
Deep enough, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep, I think that's deep
I
enough.
think it's deep enough, yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, fits.
Okay. Now, get the tree out of here. Open it on this side here. Okay. And okay. Now we just got to yank it out from the buckets. I think it will be easy.
Need help?
Just a mosquito that's biting.
Yeah, need help there.
Let me see. See if we can.
Okay.
Out. Oh,
Yeah, you can, it's easier.
Okay.
It's going. Okay.
It's actually quite. It's a bit too wet. You want to hold the tree up?
Yeah.
It's a bit too wet. Eh?
Yep. That's fine.
It's actually good.
Just drop all that there, yeah.
It's good that we're planting this now. Okay. Okay. Is it too deep?
No, I think it's
Maybe
fine.
not.
I think it's fine. Yeah, so that's right then. Maybe a little bit, yeah. You gotta drop a bit more. Yeah.
Okay.
Fill in a bit more, yeah.
Hold the tree. No, it's just
Okay.
a bit. Okay. Okay.
That's about it.
Yeah.
That should do it.
Oh, yes, that's good.
Yeah, that's
Now we
fine.
gotta see if it's straight.
Okay.
Is it straight?
No. I'm gonna hold it. I'll try
You
and
wanna
hold
see
it
it so
straight.
far away and I'll push the sand in.
Okay, a bit more to your right.
Like that?
Yeah, let me see the other way.
Okay.
A bit away from you. Away from you.
Like that?
Okay. More to your left. To your left.
To the left.
Okay. Oh, too much.
Like that?
Okay.
Okay, check it out now. See what it needs.
Okay, it's about right there. This way. It's okay.
You're good.
It's okay there, yeah.
Okay. Is it good?
Yep.
Okey-dokey. It's all good?
Yeah, pull the other side now a bit.
Okay.
So it doesn't tilt over. There. Some more there.
Okay, now on this side here.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Okay. Just stamp with the feet there. A bit around. Not too much. Go around.
On this side?
Yeah, this side now. Okay. Go around. That side also. Okay. Fine. That's about it there. You don't want to put too much there.
No.
Because you want the water to
Yes.
you want the water to sink in a bit there. So just make a bit of a round.
Get some more
Put a bit of a circle there.
dirt over here. Put it over here.
Put a bit of a circle around it.
Yes, now step on it.
Yeah, step on this so it stays a bit down here.
Oh, what a...
And now you
I wasn't
can.
expecting you to... I got it right. I didn't know that you were here. These little worms, we put them in there. They're good for it. Here's another little worm. There you go. Okay. Give us a hold here. There you go.
Okay. To save, we saved a tree.
Yes. Save a tree. Less plastic, more trees. Okay. This will go somewhere in the hole. What is it, Sasha?
I don't know.
Oh, there's another dog.
Ah, there's another dog there. That's why. She's barking at another dog that side of the road. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no.
Put in, anda.
No.
Anda, put in. Chama ela,
She's a
velho.
wild.
Anda,
Just because she sees another dog.
anda. Anda,
She's
vamos.
wild.
Anda. Anda. Come, Sasha. Vai. Anda.
Anda, vai.
Anda.
Vai. Anda.
Anda.
Vai.
Anda, Sasha. Vai. Vai pra dentro.
Come on.
Anda. Anda, Sasha. Anda. Sasha. Come. Anda. Espera aí, mano. Leva ela. The dog might jump the wall. The dog might jump the wall. The dog might jump the wall.
Ok. Tá bom, deixa assim.
Leave those pack. Okay, and our tree is in place. There you go. Now we'll just keep on watering it. And that's it. Looks beautiful already in the nature. Okay, let's go. Okay, look at that, everyone. Beautiful. Got the tree in place. Looking beautiful in the nature. Yes. That looks nice. I know it's going to get big, get some big roots, but I don't really care because I don't have anything here but grass. So yes, let it grow. Haven't did a video in some time. Got a little mock here on the nose today. Got a little bash on it. But yes, haven't done it in some time. Very busy with work, but getting onto it once again. Okay, so let's get to it. Today we got our Christmas tree planting, okay, into the ground so that we can have a big Christmas tree next year. We also got some stuff on the cars to do. Okay, let me show you. Battery for the Jeep UMM. Quite a cool looking battery, this one. Very nice. Got a little too much labels. There were too much labels on this stuff. Let me see here. Let's take this out here. Oh. Yep. I wish they didn't put these labels on the battery, because it just gets like all stuck onto here. Sasha, you better go. Someone's calling you, babe. She's here, this side. Sasha, better go, girl. And yes, we're going to put this battery onto the Jeep. We also got some cool speakers to put on the Saxo, because remember I told you guys I was going to buy a new tray for the Citroen Saxo. It's arrived. I'm going to put that one for sale. Unless someone needs it, give me a comment. And yes, the speakers, and start working on the ladder on the Raptor, which I've been very far behind on that one. Got the aluminium plates already that arrived, and let's just get to it. Let's go. Okie dokie. So we got ourselves some speakers for the Citroen Saxo. We aren't going to be using these lids because I got these speaker boxes. Okay. and I got these speakers. So they come with original speakers already. These are from Amazon. So the boxes cost like 20 something euros, and it comes with a pair of original speakers. But because I need like a good sound and better bass, I got these 3-way speakers, because they only fit here the 10 centimeter diameter ones. So as you can see, a 4-inch. These ones look quite powerful for the size they are. I think they're like the best ones in the size that I could get in terms of output power and being 3-way, better bass, you know. So I ordered some that were like for boats and everything, but they didn't work because they were like very bad quality sound, so I had to return those. So I decided the best thing is just to get proper speakers and a speaker box. So this is quite shallow, very light. I think I'll manage to fit this anyway. So yeah, so we got ourselves some speaker boxes, we got ourselves some speakers. Okie dokie. Another speaker box, because we're going to put 2 in the boot, because I already got a new tray for the Saxo. Got a new trunk tray, okay, the separator. So we got that one that had the holes with the speakers out, and put a new one in. And then we got to put a new brake caliper on the Citroen Saxo at the back, because it is bad. So these are parts from Autodoc. That was from Amazon, and this is all from Autodoc. So I just bought a kit of various things for the brakes. Whatever I don't use, I'm just going to send back. And here are some. Right, these are the springs to replace the original ones that are quite worn out already. I went to the shop, they said they didn't have it, but you always have to buy that kit separated. It's important because it starts losing spring memory, and then things can happen. And Brembo pads. I don't know if this comes already with those. Why is there so much noise in there? That's weird. I think I get a knife. Don't know why it's making such a weird sound in here. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Let's turn this over. Could they be broken? It's very hard to break them, but... Oh, okay, silicone packets. Okay, there we go, some Brembo brake pads. Which are good enough for the car. Oh yeah, so those little silica gel bags. Okay, that's cool. They put those there now. And here we got the brake caliper, which in Autodoc was a pretty good price. Okay, now we're getting full of stuff. This is a machine that's getting ready to do the paint. I'm hassling to get a paint booth, one of those inflatable ones. Not easy. I thought it would be much easier. This is another guide sleeve kit. Now I'm not going to open this because I might not need it. Because I don't know what comes in the brake caliper kit. I don't know what comes here. So let's open this up and check it out. Here we go. So this one's a good price, and then you can send your old one back, okay, and they give you like a discount, so it's quite cool. Okie dokie. I don't know what this is, must be like a manual guide. And here we go. Caution, do not operate lever before fitting and applying pressure. Okie dokie. Wow, that looks nice. It's gonna look pretty cool. One hose pipe. We got the bleeder. Yep, because I think the piston is getting stuck on the other one, or this is bashed up and it's like crooked because one of the pads are always wearing out, but it's wearing out in an angle, one of the pads. And it's only on one side of the car at the rear left, so I'm worried that something happened. Maybe these guides are like worn off and one is applying more pressure than the other one. So that's why I'm just going to change this, see what's going on and test it out, see if it solves the issue, because this actually isn't expensive at all. I mean, these cars are very cool to maintain because it's got cheap parts, you know. Okay, so it's just a bit too high for the speakers because they were hitting against the net on top, the protection grid. So I'm just putting them a bit down, these support pins where the screws attached to. I'm just had to do this one right here. So I did all these just using a tool that we use on the milling machine. It's just attach it to a normal drilling machine. Because it's plastic, it just like pushes downwards and just removes the quantity I want. Okay, and I can adjust the height easier than putting this on the milling machine, tightening it down, you know, too much work. And this is plastic, so it's very soft and it's not a problem. And job well done. See, I actually used the number 8. Okie dokie. You can even use like a drilling machine, hand one. You just go very softly, slowly, right then it grips on the plastic and ba 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 ba. And you don't want that. Okie dokie. So, got our brake brackets in place. Okay, our new one, actually the caliper, not brake brackets, the caliper already comes with the brake brackets. So everything comes in one unit, which is cool. Already got the oil pipe in place, got those 2 screws over there ready with a bit of Loctite, and now I just got to put the brake pads in and ready to go. Then I have to send the old one back, and they always give you some money for the old one, so that's quite cool. Okie dokie, there you go. That one goes there. This one goes right here, but we need to take this out. Okay, it's got to slide in afterwards. Yes. This one here. Okie dokie. There we go. Just a little bit. And now the other clip right here. Let me get this one on. Okay. And okie dokie. They're all the same. Let me just make sure. All to the same side? Yes. Okay. This one's a bit stuck in there. Give it a little love push right there. Okay. There you go. All kept in place. Clean this up. Whatever oil there is, now it's gone. Okie dokie. So we are ready to put the wheel on.
Yep.
Let's go. Bet it's working much better. Look at that. Now it's free. You can see the gap of the pad.
Can you turn it now?
No, there's a big gap now. Okay, doc. So after inspecting the other wheel in the manual, I saw that I was putting this clip underneath here, which you aren't supposed to. Just got to leave it right here standing and applying pressure. Make always sure that this pin of the spring, this one right here, is always on top so that it pulls down on the spring, and don't place this beneath the pad. I don't know why I did it. It's stupidity because I didn't do it before. And the other wheel is just like this one right now. I guess the person gets distracted a bit. That's why always inspect your work before you finish it, okay? That's the most important thing, that everything goes well. Okie dokie, let's go. Okie dokie, so all done. All is good. So always inspect your work, okay, after you get it done. But yes, looking good. Looking very nice. Okay, now we just need to get them dirty so that they stay just like the other ones. And now we are going to boot our speakers, okay. We already got our tray in place, our new tray. Here we go. New tray, okay, we bought it used. Quite cool. See, it doesn't have the holes of the speakers anymore. And the clips. Comes with very good condition clips, so now it's well supported. The clips right there that support the tray, so that it's not like all crooked. So yes, looking like a brand new car. Just going to place 2 screws over here. It actually goes with the shape of this plastic. Just making excuses, okay, for the change of plans. So I'm going to put it like that. So first we're going to drill here. There's already 2 holes right there that will give, so 1 and 2. I'm going to do now the other one. Go. Okay, this one will be these 2 right here. Okay. There you go. Number 2. Can come this way here. Okie dokie, so speakers are in place, so they had to stay right there. I'm going to get some round nuts, okay, so that the thread doesn't stay on the outside of the nuts. I'm going to get some round ones over here, but this is excellent for now. I have to go to the shop, but it's a weekend, so it's closed. And looking very nice. Looking very nice. So now we've got to test it out. It's much better than the big holes with the big wires hanging loose. So now we can even take the cover out now if we want to. If we want to like pack up stuff in the trunk, like high stuff, a box or something, we could never take this out because of the speakers. Now we can. So yes, freedom. Let's see the sound. Okay, let's get in here. Of course I can't show you guys the sound, but okay. And okay dokie, finished at night, quite dark, not good to make videos, but what can you do? Excellent sound, working well. It's also a small car. If I had a subwoofer, I think all the windows would be shaking. So everyone's happy they don't have those 2 big speakers next to their head, which was just like exploding to the ears.
Waiting for Perry.
Still a bit of work for maybe trading the car into with another car, you know. So sometimes I think, oh, we go through all this work, maybe I should just stay with all of the cars, I don't know. Still don't have much feedback on the YouTube channel, so if you guys want comments or give you ideas, if you guys are interested to know what car I'm interested in trading the Saxo for, the Citroen Saxo for, then just go ahead and ask whatever question you want, okay? Comment, like, and thank you very much for subscribing, everyone. Next video we are going to have the ladders on the Raptor, the dampers for the tailgate still haven't arrived. They have to come all the way from, I don't know if it's Greece or something, I don't know, I'm not sure. And what else? We got much more other projects. I just can't remember. Now the lights went off. If I can put the lights on quickly and test the brake. Brakes working fine. I did notice last time I put brake pads on that wheel, it was like making a scrubbing sound. Very happy to also change the caliper. Even if we put the car in for trade, at least that part had to be done. At least the new owner won't have to do it. Very happy with this car. It's a very fun car. Whoever has one knows what I'm talking about. Old school, very easy to work on, very nice. So with that, everyone, much more cool projects coming up. Also going to have a robotic video. I know I was going to do every week a video of robotics, but also the channel starting to grow, so I'm also with work, didn't have so much time, but just going to push forward and put more and more effort into all of this. Okay, so with this, see you all on the next one, and I'm out.